Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a partial refund on eBay, the full guide. To get started, log into your eBay account using your email address and password. Once you're signed in, look toward the top of the page where you'll see your name, account settings, and the sign out option. You'll also notice the My eBay menu, which gives you access to many useful tools for managing your account. From here, go to Account Settings, which you'll find on the left side of the page. Inside Account Settings, you'll see several sections, including Personal Information, Payment Information, Account Preferences, Donation Preferences, and Selling Options. To process refunds, you'll want to work from the Seller Dashboard. Click on Seller Dashboard, and from there, navigate to your Orders. This is where all your sales activity, including returns and refund requests, will appear. Next, open the Returns Dashboard. Even if you don't currently have active listings, the layout will look similar to this. In the Orders section, you'll be able to see any return requests submitted by buyers. When you click on a return, you'll see an option to offer a partial refund. Select this option to continue. You'll be asked to include a message to the buyer explaining the reason for the partial refund. A short, polite message works best, such as apologizing for the issue with the product or explaining the situation clearly and professionally. After that, enter the refund amount. This is where you specify exactly how much money you're refunding to the buyer. Double-check the amount before submitting. And that's it. You've successfully offered a partial refund on eBay in just a few steps. This option is a great way to resolve issues quickly while keeping both you and the buyer satisfied. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like it and share it with others who sell on eBay. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss future videos on eBay and other useful topics. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!